You've probably heard a few things about fences, what they're made of, how they last, how much they cost. But how much of that is actually true? Today, we're busting the biggest fence myths so you can make smarter choices for your property. Myth: wood fences don't last long. Myth number 1. Wood fences don't last. Wrong. With proper sealing, staining, and regular maintenance, a wood fence can easily last over 15 years. Neglect is what shortens its lifespan, not the material itself. Myth number 2. Vinyl fences are maintenance-free. Vinyl is low maintenance, not no maintenance. You still need to clean it to prevent mildew and staining. The good news? A quick hose down usually does the trick. Myth number 3. Chain link fences are only for commercial or industrial areas. Not true. With vinyl coatings and privacy slats, chain link fences can be a cost-effective and stylish choice for residential yards. Myth number 4. You don't need a permit to install a fence. Most cities and towns do require permits, especially if your fence exceeds a certain height or is installed along property lines. Always check with your local zoning office first. Don't believe everything you hear. Know your fence facts. Let's recap. Wood lasts if maintained. Vinyl isn't magic. Chain link isn't just for warehouses. Permits are important. Still have questions about fencing? We've got the answers. For expert advice, quality materials, and professional installation, visit kaonfenceinc.com or call us at 781-767-3596. Thanks for watching, and don't fall for fence myths again.